my name is GenevieveBiophysicsFinal11. I'm in the Biophysics PhD program here at UC Riverside. I'm from Santa Cruz in Northern California. I did my bachelor's in biology at the University of Redlands, which is close by to here. My goal is to get a PhD in biophysics here and then do research in molecular biology. Right now, I'm doing rotations through different labs here to try to figure out where I want to do my doctoral research. This is the first year for the Biophysics PhD program, so I'm in the first ever biophysics cohort. I chose this program because it's interdepartmental and integrative, which means I can take classes in all the different departments like chemistry and biology and physics, and I also have the benefit of mentorship from all the PIs in all these different labs. There are so many amazing research projects going on that I'm going to have a hard time choosing between all the different labs in all these different departments for my PhD research. So right now we're in Boyce Hall, which is one of the science halls. It has classrooms and labs and a lot of interesting equipment and programs going on. Let me show you the lab where I'm currently doing a rotation. So this is the lab where I'm working. We're doing a lot of X-ray crystallography, and this is Eduardo, who is a specialist in protein crystallography. He's been doing it for over 15 years, and he is, in addition to doing his own experiments, teaching the graduate students and the undergraduate students how to work in the lab. Now let me show you the room where we do the X-ray crystallography. So this lab is working on purifying and crystallizing proteins that are involved in DNA repair. And the way we do this is we test each protein sample with hundreds of different buffer conditions to see which condition is best for crystallizing the protein. This right here is a robot that helps us test with all these different conditions. So this has 96 different syringes that can go into this 96 well plate right here and pick up the buffers and put them with the protein samples. And then there's one little micro syringe that runs very quickly, dropping little micro drops of the protein sample through the plate, so we can test hundreds of conditions at a time. If we did this by hand, it would probably take a few hours, but the robot gets it done in a few minutes. Once we have our protein crystal, we bring it here to the X-ray instrument. Now we put our sample right in here, and then this X-rays the crystal and creates a diffraction pattern on this detector. The detector then uses the diffraction pattern from the crystal to create an electron density map, which we can use to figure out the structure of the protein that made the crystal. Now, knowing the structure of the protein will help us figure out how it behaves in solution, how it binds to DNA and to other proteins to form a complex, and it'll help us understand more about the way DNA is repaired. I hope you've enjoyed hearing about the biophysics program here at UCR. If you want to learn more, you can fill out the interest form below, or you can check us out on Twitter. I hope to see you soon here at UCR.